as limitless runs into none, disobeying by no age for change. I'm in the next time zone amidst the previous, and with the artist co-posturize with those that roam around to abuse and abhor every stage, jaded. While we bring this day of life, rip it, live it up and down, from home to home, ceiling to town, amongst the real knows of how for now. Check me out in this next time zone. Check me.